Welcome to the test preparation.
By when is the CASA 1000 project expected to be completed?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer is the C. 2025. Who has recently been nominated as the first woman Chief Justice of Lahore HGH Court?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer is B. Justice Alia Neelam. The Mount Everest lies on the borders between Nepal and
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer is A. Tibet. Who won Asian 6 Red Snooker Championship in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia on July 2, 2024?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer is B. Awais Munir. Which is the extension not suitable to an MS Word file?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer is D. JPEG. Thank you for watching test preparation. For more update and MCQs, open link in description or visit our website testpreparation.com.pk.